Hello there. Hope you're having a good day and welcome to another edition of the Wealth Preservation Answer Corner. A few weeks back, we had put together a video regarding the Affordable Care Act and the penalties that would be incurred if you did not have coverage in 2014. And we spoke more importantly about really the need to have a qualified major medical or catastrophic plan to cover any health related catastrophes that may take place. As a result of that video, we got quite a few questions regarding just basically understanding what do I have, what does my health insurance plan cover, and we did get some of those questions from our own clients, and sorry, we have not done a better job of educating them as far as what their coverages are. But we also got an awful lot of questions from people who just don't understand either their group plans or their individual plans and how they work and so on and so forth. So what I wanted to do today is just take a few minutes and speak to you about the elements of a health insurance plan, a valid Affordable Care Act approved health insurance plan, and how those components work, and how you need to understand those components whenever you're trying to figure out what is going to be paid for, what am I eligible for, and so on. We are going to do this at a very high level. It's going to be a broad summary of the elements, and if there are any specific questions about your plan or about claims or anything that is happening with your plan, please, we're going to give you some contact information that you can get in touch with us. Going to make it easy. We're going to give you an email address at the end of this video that you can send your questions to, and we'll be happy to help you out. So let's talk about the elements. There are really four elements that you need to be aware of. Number one is the deductible. Now, the deductible can range anywhere from, in a platinum type of plan, $750 per person, all the way up to about $7,000, a little bit under $7,000, which is the Affordable Care Act compliant level for a deductible per person, which means that in many cases, if you have a catastrophic event that requires hospitalization, you need to cover that deductible before the insurance company will pay anything. Now, in a second, I'm going to talk about co-payments, which are a little bit different than deductibles and can be taken care of without meeting your deductible. Let's just stick with the catastrophic situation for the moment. So let's say you have a $5,000 deductible and you go into the hospital. You need to reach that $5,000 deductible. Then the second element kicks in, which is known as coinsurance. Coinsurance is usually a percentage, 90-10, 80-20, 70-30, where the insurance company is paying the big number, the 70%, and the insured is paying the lower number, the 30%. So you reach your deductible, now your coinsurance kicks in. You pay the 30%, the insurance company pays 70%, until you reach what is known as the third element, out-of-pocket maximum, which means that there is a certain number, and many times it is double the deductible. So let's say with a $5,000 plan, it's $10,000. So you are paying 30% of the bill after you pay the first $5,000. Pay 30% of the bill until you pay out of your pocket another $5,000. Now you've hit the $10,000 out-of-pocket maximum. At that point, the insurance company is paying 100%. So that's how deductibles, coinsurance, and out-of-pocket maximums. Another element which is intertwined with these three elements is called copayments. Oftentimes you'll have in a policy that says you have a $30 copayment to go to the doctor, a $60 copayment to go to a specialist, or you have a $250 copayment to go to the emergency room. Something to understand about copayments: they are outside of the deductible. So in other words, you don't have to reach your deductible to make those copayments. However, they also do not count towards your deductible. So if you go to the doctor 5 times and it's a specialist and you pay $300 out of pocket at $60 a visit, that $300 does not count against your deductible. So those are the key elements that you need to understand, and there are many different variations of those, which again, on a case-by-case basis. We'd be happy to walk you through those. Final thing I'd like to say today, and something that you should always be on top of, is what is my situation? And every major insurance company allows you to set up your own personal website where you can track how much of my deductible have I used, what are my claims looking like, how much am I getting back, and if there is any question whatsoever whether your claims are being paid accurately, or they are paying what you think you should be reimbursed, those are the kinds of things that you want to be looking at. If you have any question about those things, we're always happy to help you out. So please, if you have further questions about the 4 basic elements or anything else on your health insurance plan, contact us at info@4wealthpreservation.com, and we'll be glad to help you out. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye now.